another Let's Go Sailing adventure. Today we'll be visiting the island of New Caledonia, a French colony situated between the South Pacific and the Coral Sea, about 700 miles from mainland Australia. But first, since our last update, we sailed through the South Pacific, sailing by hundreds of beautiful islands and untouched atolls all along the way. So, before we begin our next adventure, let's catch you all up to speed.
Cranking up the engine.
So despite setting sail on a Friday, which according to sailor legend is bad luck, and having a cracked mast for the past 3,200 miles, we've arrived safely to Pourpre, New Caledonia, meaning New Scotland, got its name from Captain Cook, who felt the islands reminded him of the Scottish Highlands when he discovered them. meal in over a month. Barbecue bacon burger for me and some fries. New Caledonia is actually quite the surprise island for us and may turn out to be the best one yet of our adventures. So after our meal, we'll do some more touring around. Chris is eating the world's smallest sandwich. Yeah.
Not bad.
When we caught the fish we pulled in were big. They were nothing compared to what some of the anglers around here have caught. That said, behind me is our reconstruction of Megalodon, a Jurassic great white shark, believed to have reached a size of up to 15 meters and over 3 tons, or nearly the size of a full-grown blue whale. New Caledonia is home to many cultural, artistic, and intellectual pursuits, including a world-class aquarium, ethnic museum, and cathedral. You will also find all sorts of outdoor activities such as snorkeling, windsurfing, hiking, and much more. We'll see y'all on... Well, folks, the owners arrived, which means it's time to head back to the boat and prepare for departure. We'll see y'all in Australia.